Guys, hello. Stop. Welcome to Connor is Bored. Today I have my friend Mike. Today we're going to show you how to make an Assassin's Creed prison blade thing. So yeah, as you can see, it just comes straight out. How to make it is, obviously you have to have an elastic band, otherwise it won't work. So preferably I'd grab a thick one, a thick elastic band. Yep, one of these red ones, because yeah. Then you've got to have really sticky tape. Because I had this type of tape that didn't work, and so then I grabbed the packing tape, and then that just stuck everything together. As you can see that it's cut here. Yeah, just make sure that it's cut, and then you can just tape it together. And it will just stay together on one piece on this other side, and then you just tape that together. So then you just do that, and make sure you don't put a hole here. I tried doing it a different way, but that didn't work. So yeah, this is just going to stop it up, because sometimes I go like that and I put it into this hole and then it goes in and it doesn't come out far. See, it just comes out like that and it doesn't even fully come out. So yeah. Yo.